Hello fellow developers. Let's look at model selection feature. You may already have an opinion what best works for your use cases, but if you're curious if your model is the best, or if you're not sure which model is the best one, I'm going to show you a technique that will assist you in selecting the right model. So if we come here and you'll see here is our models that you can select from. I'm going to stick with the 4.0 to do this demonstration, and I'm going to go ahead and select this method. And I'm simply going to ask and say improve this. Now I got back 5 improvements. You might already say I can look at these and say those are the ones that I like and it's a great model. But if you're curious and not sure, I can go ahead and actually ask a different model. So I go ahead and say grade the suggestions from A through F and tell me if they're the best suggestions, and if not, give me a better suggestion. So I'm going to go ahead and use Gemini now. So this is very critical that I'm not going to use the same model and say, hey, grade your own output. I'm going to use a different model and have it grade it. So I went ahead and picked Gemini. And you'll see that it's giving me the different ones and giving grades to it and actually giving some examples or reasons why. So this will help you, and see there's like a grade C for the joiner. So it's telling you what's better and what's not. So you can then use this to help understand what's the best use case for what you're doing and what would be the best model for that use case. Happy coding with Qodo.